Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a website on Mailchimp. To get started, all you'll need to do is go onto Mailchimp.com and you can sign up for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. Once you are signed up to Mailchimp, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to scroll down and you are going to select website. After you have selected website, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you'll see three different options you can choose from. You can choose to start designing your site, and if you would like to start selling products, you could tap on set up your store, or if you would like to use Mailchimp to set up appointments, you can do that. But for this example, we will be creating a basic website. So I'm going to tap on set up your site. After you have done that, you could edit the URL name right here. I'll leave it as Simple Answers, and you can see an example of it right here. Then you're going to tap on Edit My Site. After you have tapped on Edit My Site, you're going to give it a few seconds, and you're going to be redirected to this dashboard on which you'll be able to customize how your website looks. To get started, you can see right here, this is how it looks at the moment. It's a one-page website. If you wanted to add more pages, you could tap on Add Page. So this is the home page right here. To edit the home page, you'll simply hover over it and you will tap on Edit Page. Once you have tapped on Edit Page, you'll be able to edit any section you want. So if we wanted to edit the header section, we could tap on Edit Section. After you have done that, from there you will see a menu option pop up on the right hand column, and you could change the background color if you want by tapping on background. So let's say for example we wanted to change it to purple, you could do that by tapping right there. Or if you wanted to add an image, you could do that. Now let's go back. Then you can also edit the text by tapping on text right here. So you can see the text section right here. You'll be able to edit it also by simply hovering over the section. You can edit it, you can type whatever you want. So let's say for example I want to type something right here. I could do that real quick by simply selecting the section. Then you can type whatever you want right there. You can also change the font style and so on. And you can scroll down and you can see the different sections right here of your website. You can also add your social links if you want by tapping on the social media sign at the bottom of the page. Then from there you can see Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. All you'll have to do is simply paste in your handle right here by simply copy and pasting the URL. And if you would also like to add a website or so on, you could simply toggle it on right there. So you'll be able to edit the footer section as you can see there. Now to go back up to the top, let's do that real quick. And by the way, if you wanted to add another section, all you have to do is tap on the plus right here. Then you will tap on Add Section. After you have done that, you will see the different section options. Whether you wanted to add a video, an about section, a quote, or anything at all, you could do that. If I wanted to add a video, for example, I could tap on video. Then you can see the different video templates right here or layout that you can choose from. Let's say I wanted to use this one, I could simply tap on it. After you have tapped on that particular layout, you can see that it has now been added. And from there, you will be able to edit the text just like with any other section. And you can also edit the video right there. So you'll be able to add your video if you want. So all you'll need to do is simply tap on it. After you have tapped on it, you're going to see a link and you could tap on the link icon. Then you could paste in your video URL right there. So if you wanted to embed, for example, a YouTube video, you could do that. And you can see how the website looks right here. And you can go over to the top left hand corner, tap on Style. Once you have tapped on style, you will see the different themes right here, and you can tap right where you see classic, and from there you can change the themes if you want. You can scroll down and you can see the different themes that you can choose from. All you have to do is simply tap on the one that you want to use. And you can also edit the colors if you want by tapping on the colors. And by tapping on pages, you will see the individual page, so you can see the home page right here. If you wanted to add page, you could tap on add and you could add another page. And if you wanted to add a link page, you could tap on link to do that. And again, if you wanted to also add a cookie banner, you could tap on cookie banner and you could enable that if you want. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on preview in the top right hand corner, and you can select whether you'd like to preview it on desktop or you'd want to see how it would look on a mobile device. And this is how it looks at the moment. Once everything is to your liking, you're going to tap on exit preview. Then you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on publish, you'll tap on accept terms and publish. And after you have done that, your website will now be live. And this is your website URL, as you can see right here. And you'll be able to share this URL on social media or whichever platform you want. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.